Before you buy garden multi-tools, there's one thing no product page tells you: most of them look tough but break within a season. I've seen so-called heavy-duty sets bend on the first rock or rust after one rain. Today, I'm showing you the ones that actually hold up. Product number 1: a Granebo 9-piece set. This Granebo 9-piece set caught my eye because it comes with everything: 8 tools plus a floral tote bag, all for under $50. The stainless steel heads and wooden handles give it a solid, classic feel. If you want a complete starter kit that looks good and feels durable, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each tool is made of rust-proof stainless steel, so you won't wake up to orange spots after a storm. The ergonomic wooden handles are non-slip and comfortable for long weeding or planting sessions, even if you have smaller or older hands. With over 7,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular, and the included storage bag means you won't lose tools in the shed. The bag even has hanging holes, so everything stays organized. Now, some people complained about the bag stitching coming loose after a few months. Here's the thing though: the tools themselves are solid and the bag is more of a bonus. If you're rough with gear or need military-grade storage, this might not last. But for light to medium gardeners, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a gift that feels premium without the premium price. Skip this one if you need industrial-strength tools for rocky soil or daily farm use. For $45, it's a steal for what you get. Product number 2: PRWIN Hori Hori knife. Alright, that was a solid set. But if you only want one tool that does it all, this PRWIN Hori Hori knife is a beast. Priced at $39.89, it's not the cheapest, but with a 7-inch stainless steel blade and walnut handle, it feels like a tool your grandpa would have used. If you want one knife that digs, cuts, measures, and even opens bottles, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The blade has both a sharp edge for slicing and a serrated edge for tough roots. That means you can cut through stubborn weeds or divide perennials without switching tools. The depth markings in inches help you plant bulbs at the perfect depth every time. And the full tang design means the blade runs through the handle, so it won't snap under pressure. Over 3,000 sold last month shows people trust it. Now, some people said the sheath feels flimsy and doesn't hold the knife securely. Here's the thing though: you can easily replace it with a leather one later. The knife itself is built like a tank, and the hanging hole on the handle makes storage easy. If you're careful with gear, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a single, reliable tool for digging, weeding, and planting. Skip this one if you need a full set of tools or hate carrying a knife around. For under $40, it's a long-term investment. Product number 3: GROWIT 22-piece set. Now, if the Granebo set felt a bit light, this GROWIT 22-piece kit is the full package. At $36.03, it includes 15 tools, plant tags, gloves, and a heavy-duty bag, all made from rust-proof aluminum. If you want maximum variety without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The ergonomic rubber handles reduce hand strain, which is huge if you spend hours in the garden. The included gloves and plant tags are small touches that make a big difference. With 3,000 plus sold last month, it's clear people love the value. Now, some people complained that the trowel head bent when hitting rocks. Here's the thing though: aluminum is lighter than steel, so it's not for rocky or compacted soil. But for raised beds, flower pots, and soft earth, it performs great. If you're gentle with your tools, this set will last years. This is perfect for you if you want a complete kit for home gardening or as a gift. Skip this one if you work in tough, rocky soil regularly. For $36, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 4: PRWIN Hori Hori budget version. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-focused gardeners. This PRWIN Hori Hori at $33.45 is nearly identical to the $39 version. Same 7-inch stainless blade, walnut handle, and protective sheath. If you want the same performance for less, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're getting the same full tang strength, dual-edged blade, and depth markings just at a lower price. The only real difference is minor branding and packaging. Over 1,000 sold last month shows people are catching on to the savings. Now some people said the handle finish isn't as smooth as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, it's still comfortable to hold, and the 3 metal rivets keep everything secure. Unless you're picky about aesthetics, you won't notice the difference. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable hori-hori without overpaying. Skip this one if you want premium finishes or plan to resell later. For $33, it's a no-brainer. Product number 5, Fiskars 3-in-1 Set. Finally, if you want trusted quality, this Fiskars 3-in-1 Set is a classic. At $32.11, it includes a trowel, transplanter, and cultivator, all with cast aluminum heads and soft grip handles. If you want durable, no-nonsense tools from a brand that's been around for over 370 years, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fiskars uses polished aluminum that stays sharp and resists rust, even after years of use. The ergonomic handles reduce fatigue, and the lifetime warranty means they stand behind their product. Over 1,000 sold last month shows it's still a favorite. Now some people said the cultivator tines can bend in hard clay. Here's the thing though, it's designed for regular garden soil, not construction work. For normal use, it's built to last decades. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, long-lasting tools from a trusted name. Skip this one if you need a full set or work in extremely tough soil. For $32, it's a smart buy. So which one should you get? The Granebo set for a complete starter kit, the PRWIN Hori-Hori for a single powerhouse tool, the GROWIT for maximum variety, the budget Hori-Hori for savings, or the Fiskars for trusted durability. Each has its place, pick based on your soil, budget, and how much you garden. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.